Alright, this is going to be a video about integration. Basically, integration is the second main operation in calculus besides its inverse, the derivative or differentiation. So one way of looking at it is integration is the exact opposite of differentiation. A way of thinking about it mathematically, say you had the derivative f prime of x, so you have the derivative of f of x. To integrate that, you would need to write the following symbol that it's called the integral operator, or the integral symbol, where it looks kind of like an S and then it's got a dx after it, and then that would be equal to the actual function f of x, so it's no longer primed. Okay. These symbols are basically the integral operator, which is just basically saying find the integral of this derivative. And since it's the opposite of differentiation, and if you're taking the integral of a derivative, it would just equal the regular function, as shown on the right. A way that most calculus texts that you see will write this, however, is it'll say the integral of f of x dx is equal to capital F of x. Okay, so just in case you ever see that, that's basically the standard notation for integrals. This capital F of x basically just represents what's called the antiderivative. Because integration is the exact opposite of differentiation, instead of calling it a derivative, they call it the antiderivative because it's the opposite. I should also point out that this is called the indefinite integral. We're going to go over that in more detail as the unit goes on. In contrast, we have something else called the definite integral. These are defined based on a closed interval from a to b on a function f. It is written as such. This definite integral basically represents the signed area of the region in an xy plane bounded by f, the x-axis, and the vertical lines x equals a and x equals b. So if you see in the picture on the right, the definite integral would be the signed area of the positive, shown in blue, plus the negative area, shown in yellow. This basically represents the power of integrals in finding the area between a function and the x-axis on a closed interval. So that's basically a brief overview of the unit. If you have any questions on anything in the video, let me know.